Good morning, students. Today we will start integers topic representation of integers on a number line. So first, number line, a line on which we have arranged the integers. This line is called number line. Here, suppose that this is O, origin. Now we write the positive integer right side of the origin and negative integer left side of the origin. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. This arrow show the infinite. Means 5 is not last number. Means this will be infinite, tends to infinite. Just the same, right, left side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and here -5 is not last number. This will be tends to infinitive, minus infinitive, and this is tends to plus infinitive and minus infinitive. Here O is the origin. We have measured all the distance from the origin. So origin from origin, right side positive integer, left side negative integers. Now first property on number line, opposite integers. Opposite integers are equidistant from origin. Means here -1 and 0, -1 and 0, +1 and 0, both are equidistant from origin. From origin O, -1 distance and distance of +1 same. Distance of -2 equal to distance of +2. Means opposite signs are equidistant from origin. So first property, the opposite integers -5 +5 or -2 +2 are equidistant from origin. Origin means O, equidistant from origin. Now second, distance between two consecutive integers are same at every point. Means distance between 1 and 2, distance between 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, 0 to -1, -1 to -2, -2 to -3, -3 to -4, -4 to for distance between two consecutive integers are same at every point. So second property is that distance between two integers every point. The distance between two consecutive integers are same at every point. Means distance between 1 and 2 means 0 1, 1 2, 2 3, 3 4, 4 5. The distance between 1 and 2 equal to 2 and 3 equal to 3 4 equal to 4 5 equal to 0 -1, -1 to -2, -2 to -3. Means distance between two consecutive integers are same at every point. Third property, a number which is right side of the given number. Right side of number is greater than left side. Means right side. Suppose that 0 and 1. 1 is greater than 0. 2. 2 is the right side of 1, then 2 is greater than 1. Minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 is right side, minus 2 is left side. So minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Means right side the number is greater than left side. A number to the right side of a given number is greater. A number to the right side of given number is greater. Right side means here 0 and 1. 1 is the right side, then 1 is greater to 0. Here minus 5 minus 4. Example, minus 5 minus 4. Minus 4 is right side to minus 5. So minus 4 is greater than minus 5. As the same 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 3 is right side up to 3 is right side to 2, then 3 is greater than 2. 2 and 3. 3 is right side up to, then 3 is greater than 2. Now fourth property, every positive integer is greater than negative integer, because every positive integers are right side to the negative integer. So every positive integer, every positive integer is greater than negative integer. Every positive integer is greater than negative integers. Now fifth, 0. 0 is less than all positive integer, because 0 is the left side of the all positive integer. So 0 is less than all positive integer. All positive integer. Now 6. 0 is greater than all negative integer, because 0 is right side of the all negative integer. So 0 is then all negative integer. All negative integers. Now plus 1 means 1. 1 is the smallest positive integer. One is smallest positive integer. And minus 1. Minus 1 is greatest negative integer. Minus 1 is greatest negative integer. 9. We cannot find the greatest positive integer, and or we cannot find the smallest negative integer. Means we cannot find the greatest positive integer. Yes. And we cannot find the smallest negative integer. We cannot find the greatest positive integer and we cannot find the smallest negative integer. Now next, absolute value of integer. Absolute value of integer means numerically value, means 3. Absolute value of 3 of 3 absolute value of 3 is 3. Now absolute value of -4, this is written as -4 as -4 and its value become 4. Absolute value of negative integer is positive. Absolute value of positive integer is positive, means absolute value of 3 written as modulus of 3 and absolute value is represent between two vertical parallel line. This is the symbol of absolute value. If any number find out the absolute value, this number is written between two vertical lines. And negative integers, absolute value of negative integer is positive. Absolute value of positive integer is positive. So absolute value of integer is its numerical value without taking any sign. Without taking any sign. In absolute value, don't make a sign, plus or minus. Absolute value only numerical value. For example, absolute value of 3 is 3. Absolute value of -4 is 4. Now absolute value of positive integer are positive. Now absolute value of negative integer are positive. Absolute value of positive integer positive. Absolute value of negative integer positive. Means absolute value of a number is equal to or greater than given number. Now absolute value of any integer are equal to or greater than given number. Absolute value of any integer are equal to or greater than given number, cannot be less than given number. Absolute value may be equal or more than given number.